We go to news now from Parliament. The new Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs is this evening defending the creation of the new ministry. Marlene Malahoo-Fort gave a statement to the House today. The new ministry's focus areas are constitutional reform, legal education, legal reform, and protection of human rights. The departments include the Law Revision Secretariat, the Legal Reform Department, and the Office of the Parliamentary Counsel. Minister of Legal and Constitutional Affairs Marlene Malahoo-Fort insists the ministry is necessary.
This move by Prime Minister Holness reflects the priority he places on working more earnestly to transform Jamaica into a peaceful, law-abiding nation with government headed by him, leading by example.
But some opposition MPs are still not convinced. Southeast St. Andrew MP Julian Robinson says he remains concerned.
My concern, however, is that we seem to be building bureaucracy on bureaucracy, because many of those functions existed under the Ministry of Justice or under the Attorney General's Department. We're now creating a new structure which will involve a permanent secretary, staff, etc. And while I have no issue with the functions, I would question whether there is a need for an entirely new ministry to undertake the activities that the minister just outlined. That's really my issue. And I believe in a difficult time which the country is in, where our economy has not fully recovered from COVID, that we are adding expenses on expenses where those functions could have been executed somewhere else.
For his part, opposition leader Mark Golding says there is no doubt that Jamaica suffers from the slow pace with which important legislation is developed.
If in the end it results in improved legislative performance by the government, it will be a good thing on a net basis, because that is absolutely critical to the country addressing some of the many challenges that it has. So I close by wishing the new minister good luck in her new position. We know there's a new Attorney General. He's not sitting in Parliament. That's, to my mind, unfortunate.